Best apps for Instagram Reels editing. Want to create amazing Instagram Reels that stand out? Today I'm breaking down the best apps for Reels editing and why CapCut might be the ultimate choice for you. Let's start with the top apps creators are loving. At first, we have CapCut, free, powerful, and TikTok Instagram friendly. Next up, we have InShot, great for quick trims and adding music. VN Video Editor, clean interface and pro level features. Lastly, we have Splice, which offers cinematic effects and transitions. Now, let's talk about why CapCut is dominating for Instagram Reels. You get full access to powerful tools for free, and moreover, there's no watermark. CapCut now includes AI text to speech, auto captions, and background remover, saving you tons of editing. You can also use viral ready templates that align with Reels trends. Just plug in your clips and you're done. CapCut also automatically resizes your video to 9:16 vertical, perfect for Instagram Reels. It comes with built-in royalty-free music, or you can import your own, even sync with trending TikTok IG sounds. You can also edit both on your phone and PC, and even sync projects across devices with cloud backup. So, CapCut is truly the best free tool for editing Reels, whether you're a beginner or a pro. It's got everything you need.